Ever thought about how fun gardening with kids can be? Imagine fostering their creativity, teaching responsibility, and providing an opportunity for bonding in the great outdoors, all through the joy of gardening. So, ready to roll up those sleeves and get those little hands dirty? Then stay tuned. First up on our list of fun gardening projects, DIY seed bombs. These little powerhouses of growth are simple to make and thrilling to launch. Start by selecting a variety of seeds. Next, mix the seeds with compost and clay to create a potent growth mixture. Mold this mixture into small, throwable bombs. Once they're dry, it's time for the fun part, tossing them into your garden. And the best part? The anticipation as you wait for the day when those seed bombs start to bloom. Next up, let's dive into the magical world of miniature fairy gardens. Imagine crafting a tiny, enchanting world with your little ones using small plants, pebbles, and your creativity. Start by selecting tiny, slow-growing plants that thrive in similar conditions. Next, design a layout that tells a story, perhaps a fairy picnic or a hidden forest path. Finally, add whimsical elements like miniature furniture, figurines, or even a fairy house. Creating a fairy garden not only adds charm to your garden, but also sparks children's imagination. Last but not least, let's add a splash of color to our garden with painted rock markers. Children can unleash their creativity by painting rocks to represent different plants. From strawberries to sunflowers, there's no limit to the designs they can create. This project not only provides an exciting craft activity, but also offers a practical solution to identify plants. As an added bonus, it beautifies the garden with a kaleidoscope of colors. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a vibrant art gallery? Well, that wraps up our fun-filled guide to gardening with kids. We've explored DIY seed bombs, miniature fairy gardens, and painted rock garden markers. Remember, these projects not only beautify your space, but also foster creativity and bonding. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!